Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Go. I'm really excited because this is my first video of 2026. Wishing each one of you a very happy and prosperous new year 2026. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's make this year full of new places, new experiences and great memories. What if your lunch plan suddenly turns into a racing challenge? Good food, family time and go-karting all in one place. That's exactly what happened on our family visit to Kart 2 Cafe, the fun factory. The moment we entered, the energy of the place hit us. On one side, there's the go-karting track, and on the other, a relaxed cafe seating area. It instantly felt like a place where fun and comfort go hand in hand. But before racing the track, we decided to race our hunger first. We sat down for lunch with the entire family. Since there were customers and it was Sunday too, so there was a manageable wait time in getting the food served. We had ordered pizzas, mushroom fried rice and paneer chili. We all appreciated the taste. Our food experience here was genuinely good. Food was served hot, freshly prepared, tasty and satisfying. Enjoying a relaxed family lunch while watching carts zoom past in the background made the experience even more enjoyable. After lunch, it was time for the main attraction. Out of 7 family members, 5 of us went for go-karting. The track here is beginner friendly yet thrilling enough to bring out the competitive spirit. I've done go-karting 3 times before. My best experience was at Rye House Kart Raceway in London and the other 2 in Hyderabad, which were good too. So this one wasn't about chasing speed, it was about pure enjoyment. Once it was my turn, a single-seater kart was allotted to me. Helmet on, straps checked and a quick safety briefing, how to brake, how to handle turns, and one clear instruction, drive safe and smart. And engines roaring, the excitement was real. And then that pause. Sitting inside the cart, hands on the wheel, engine humming softly, waiting for the signal. Boom, and we're off. About 15 of us were on the track at the same time, all single carts racing together. The first lap was about getting comfortable. The second about building rhythm. And soon it was just me, the cart and the track. Smooth acceleration, controlled turns, and that familiar joy of driving lap after lap. Speed, turns, laughter, and cheering from the sidelines, it turned into a proper family fun moment. And knowing my family was right there, watching, made the experience even better. Moments like these remind you it's not about how fast you drive, but who you share the finish line with. By the final lap, I was completely in sync with the kart. Calm, confident, and smiling inside the helmet. Kart 2 Cafe, the fun factory, is a go-karting and cafe hangout spot located near Bannerghatta National Park on Bannerghatta Road in the Jigani Mantapa area of Bangalore. It's a place where racing meets relaxation. You can enjoy outdoor go-karting with single-seater karts and then unwind at the cafe with good food. Karting usually costs around 400 rupees for 6 laps, and the cafe serves pizzas, burgers, snacks, shakes, and coffee, all in a lively and friendly atmosphere. The place is easy to reach from Bannerghatta Road, generally open from 11 am to 10 pm. You can also check them out online at kart2cafe.com. What started as a simple lunch plan turned into a day filled with laughter, speed, and memories. If you're looking for a place near Bangalore that combines food, fun, and family time, Kart 2 Cafe, the Fun Factory, is definitely worth visiting. Before we wrap up, I just want to say thank you to each one of you for your continued support and loyalty. Your time, your views, and your encouragement mean a lot to me and keep motivating me to create better stories and experiences for you. If you enjoyed this video, do like it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. I'll be back very soon with a new video and a new journey. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.